So since finishing the milling machine, I've managed to get these benches and that out. I ain't moved the pillar drill yet. Obviously still pretty manky up here. It needs sweeping up. So now I've got this lot out. I need to get started on this lot. These shelves here, mostly this is my ML7 stuff. I'm going to try and put this into some little plastic boxes and that I've got. I'll pull this little bench out. Eventually try and get the ML7 out and across the workshop somewhere. Then have a good clean up on this end. And try and paint the walls and ceilings and see what happens with it. This is a new addition to my workshop. He's called Fig. He's a little rescue dog we got. How anyone can throw him away is beyond me, because he's such a dear little fella. I've even got a little cloth cap and a coat for him. Anyway, enough of him. Right, I'll try and sort out into boxes what I want to keep here and what I don't, which is always a bit difficult. It's very hard to throw stuff away, even when it looks like it's rubbish. I've got to go through these little drawers, got most of my little cutters, cutting bits and whatever in them. But I'll get on with that and try and get that cleared out and get this next little bit done. That's another couple of shelves down and some stuff plugged up. It's a bit of a problem. I mean, I've got a whole tin here of just bits of metal, all that sort of thing what I had on the shelves, which are too handy to throw away. I mean, my wife keeps saying just sort out what you want to keep and what you want to chuck and it'll be sorted, and essentially she is right, but it's a lot more difficult than that. I mean, this for instance, it's just a little magnifying glass. It's got a little clip on it and it goes on a height gauge or something like that, so you can clip it on and look at the markings on it. But I mean, that will clean up and I don't want to throw it away. But where do I store that in the meantime? I mean, I had places on these shelves I knew where everything was, but now I ain't got them and I've got to clear everything out. Oh well, just got to keep at it. But I ain't throwing that out. So that's all this cleared out. This bench, all the benches that was on that wall, all the stuff that was on these shelves and this wall. Just got to move the ML7 now, which is going to be no mean feat, because as usual, whenever I do anything in here, I just seem to get completely run out of space. So I've got to move all this somewhere. It's pretty full up in the rest of it. And then brush all these and wash all these walls down and paint it. But that's going to be for another day. Where's that dog gone? There he is. You don't like it up here, Fig's too dirty, isn't it? Anyway, that's going to be all for this one. Bit more progress, but not a lot. And I'm not even Paul Daniels. See you in the next one. Bye for now.